Now, like I said, with the contact and with the login, we have inputs. This is easily rectified. We don't even have to worry. This won't be a long video at all. First, let's put this in the right spot. And login. Now we're going to be changing a lot of this stuff. And I got to freshen up on my object-oriented programming. So we'll do that. And now, if we go to contact, you see this. Let's go to the contact. As I've said before, I didn't do this before because I wanted you to kind of follow along. Contact wrapper. We're going to call everything wrappers when we put them in divs outside. Everything. And login wrapper. Oh, I already have one. Yeah, I already have one. All right. Login wrapper. The naming conventions, you can do whatever you want. But when it comes to contact us, remember that, this, we don't really want input fields look like that. You can have them look like that, but what we can do is we go to the main page, and then we could just say, how do I want to do? Let's just do what I said to you before. Input type equals text. Actually, no. Let's do this easier. Main input. Dashes I put for two worded classes that I use throughout the entire page, which I also put in the main CSS. Underscores I put for those I use just on one page. You don't have to do it that way. You can do it any way you want. But let's go back to our login. Let's say class equals main input. And we'll go class equals primary button. Talked about buttons. Should not be new to you. Main input. Main input. Selects, that's going to be different. Okay. So real simple. Main input. We want to get rid of the outline. We want to make the border 1 pic solid RGBA 0.6. We want to go border radius. You don't have to do this, but I am doing this. Do 10 pixels. Width, we're going to say 190 pixels. Height, we're going to say 25 pixels. Padding, 5 pixels. Font, family, Arial, Helvetica, sans serif. And if you want, you can do placeholder with 2 colons. Excuse me. Color RGBA. You can also do main input focus, which will be the inside, and you go background color RGBA 40 40 40 01. Yeah, we gotta make them a little longer and not as rounded and not as high. So. Oh yeah, that was a, let me see. That's a text area. What I also do with width is I go width 100%. And if you want to do similar styles, we can go like this. And now that will be as long. And in text area, we can say with main input, we can say height of 20 pixels. And with text area, we can say height of 50 pixels. And for all of them, we can go margin bottom 10 pixels. And there you go. Now with the select, we can go select. And like that. All right. We also want with the text area to not be resized, so we go resize none. But that is one long ass set of input fields. We're going to change that in just a second. And then we have primary button. No, 30 pixels. And text align. Center. Font family. We'll do pop-ins. Okay. And we'll do background color. Our primary. And we'll do color white. Let's put some text shadow on that. Where's my color? Oh, main color, my sorry. Main color. Let's make it a little brighter so you can see it. Yeah, a little brighter. Yeah, better. And then when you hover over, secondary color, and color just make black. Like that, see? Nice. Okay. Now, if we look, if we were to go here, return home, and then go to login, same thing, because we just told it to do that. We told it with all these main classes. So all we have to do now is we just gotta fix these forms, their sizes and stuff. So contact wrapper form, let's go to page. Same thing. Usually I make a main wrapper class. And then contact wrapper form. Like that. And now, look at that. Not bad, right? And then we can do the return home, and then we'll just do H1, just give us some space here, like that. And then we'll just push that over. So, call this to separate it from the other paragraph. Now, if you're saying, well, why don't we just do a class for a global class for this, you can do that. You can add that in. Because we've had two of these on two different pages. There we go. And now the login is pretty much the same thing. In fact, I'll just do that. Let's put that in there. And login wrapper. We'll go login wrapper. Margin bottom, 10 pixels. Text align, center. And then we'll do login wrapper. Form, we'll do width pixels. And we'll do the same thing. Like that. Okay. And now if you look, we have a little bit of a login thing. We go return home. Actually, this should be outside. Okay. Return home, about, contact, login. Okay. So we're all set. When I come back, we're going to start doing some JavaScript. That's the real fun stuff. I will see you then.